Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel, and in this video I will be sharing my whole nail haul with you guys. So there are two nail hauls which I got simultaneously day after another. This is the first nail haul which I received 1 or 2 days back, and this is the haul which I received yesterday. So I will be showing you what I got in my nail mail. So first off, I'll begin with my cardboard box. So I'll open it for you. Well, this is an Indian brand, and they are the first people to introduce linear holographic nail polishes in India. I don't know if you might have guessed it right or not, but it is La Roy. So I got these nail polishes from La Roy. I'll be sharing all the swatches afterwards. So first of all, I will be sharing the first thing which I got from La Roy, and it is Haryali shade 053. It retails for 199 rupees, and it is a textured holographic nail polish, like more like a textured nail polish with holographic glitters. The second nail polish which I got from them is this purplish nail polish, another textured holographic nail polish, or you can say holographic textured nail polish. I mean, you can say anything. And the name of this nail polish is Watan shade 055. This also retails for 199 rupees, and it is a part of their Independence Day collection. Next nail polish is Tamba shade 052. Same nail polish with holographic glitters and textured finish. You can see the holographic glitters here itself. The third polish which I brought from the same collection is Khaki shade 056. It retails for 130 rupees and is a beautiful shade. Like, this is a normal cream finish nail polish, but I really love the color, and I hope you all are going to love it too. So there are four nail polishes which I got from them, right? All the four nail polishes from La Roy Independence Day collection. Do let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite. Next, I have another nail polish which is from La Roy, but there's a surprise because it is from their Friends collection. So there are three shades which I bought from their Friends collection. The first shade is Smelly Cat shade 051. It retails for 160 rupees, and it is pebble gray with blue shimmers. I hope you can see it now. You can see the beauty of this nail polish in this close shot. See, this is how the nail polish is, and I really love the whole finish, I guess, or you can say the way it looks in the nail polish bottle. The second one is, see, even you can see the holographic glitters, micro holographic glitters here. The Second one is shade 050 apartment 20, which is iris purple with gold shimmers. But you can see there is a dash, a little bit of hollow in there as well, right? The third nail polish and my favorite one from this collection will be shade 049 Ichiban, which is a high shine silver blue with hollow. It retails for 160 rupees. So, in particular, if I talk about Ichiban, then I can say that this shade does look a bit similar to Born Pretty uh, nail polish, but there is a difference between both of them. And I really like, I wish that Laroy released it earlier because I am a huge fan of their nail polishes. So I have this nail polish, like I have a similar nail polish from Born Pretty. They both look similar, I guess, but there's a bit difference. I mean, there will be a huge difference in the formulation because I don't know about Born Pretty, but Laroy's formulation is really amazing. If I wouldn't have bought that nail polish from Born Pretty, then I guess I would have gone with, like, I would have bought Laroy earlier if they would have, if Sudeshna would have released it earlier, then I wouldn't have bought the Born Pretty one, because yes, I can blindly trust Sudeshna's formulation and finish and everything. I just love everything about Laroy. Next, I have three amazing polishes from Laroy. So the first one, you can see the hollow, right? So the first one is Laroy Shade 036 Mind Blown, which is a linear holographic plus holographic silver flaky top coat. It retails for 590 rupees, and trust me, it literally is the one of the best nail polishes I have seen, and it is totally worth for the money that you are paying. So, want to know how different it is from other nail polishes? Well, if you like linear holographic effect, then you can apply it as it is, because the small holographic, like micro holographic particles, which will give the finish of holographic, which will give holographic finish to your nail polish, will are on the upper side of the bottle, whereas, as you can read here, silver flakies, whereas the flakies are here at the bottom. So it depends on you in which way you want to use its nail polish. You can use it as it is without shaking it for linear effect, and if you want a dash of silver hollow, then you can just shake it nicely and apply it over your normal nail polish to transform the look of the nail polish. Then next, I have this beauty with me. I guess you're unable to see the nail polish now. So this is one of the most prettiest nail polishes that you would have ever seen. It is another top coat from Laroy. See how beautiful it is. The name of this nail polish is not mentioned here. and even I totally forgot about it. I guess like the last one which I had, name of that nail polish was Mind Blown. I don't know about I don't know the name of this nail polish. I don't remember, but it is another top coat from Laroy, and you can apply it over normal nail polishes to transform the look. Well, the difference between this nail polish, this top coat, and the other top coat is the top coat, which I showed you earlier, has linear holographic particles, and this one has chameleon flakies along with the holographic flakies inside it. So it really gives an amazing finish if you apply it over any color. You can see how the chameleon flakies change their color from deep blue to purple. Well, last nail polish which I got from Laroy is from their Holo Me Good collection. As you can see, it is another holographic nail polish. Name of this nail polish is HMG Holomi, which stands for Holomi Good, Spaced Holo 039, and it retails for 499 rupees. It is a spaced holo nail polish. Name of this nail polish is Spaced Holo. So I guess it might give, instead of linear, it might give linear plus scattered holographic effect. And see how beautiful it looks. This is the main reason why I filmed this video with the flash, with like by opening flash in my camera, so that you can properly see the effect, like the holographic effect and different effects of different nail polishes and products. Next, apart from these beautiful nail polishes, I got few more things. So I got, first of all, from the second mail, I got few nail art decals which I will be using super soon. So I guess I got more than 100 decals which I will be using on my nails. Next, I got a stamping plate holder. So you can keep your stamping plates inside this holder, and you can easily rearrange your stamping nail, your stamping, not stamping nail polish, your stamping plates. Next, I got few holographic stickers. I don't know how I am going to use it. Like, they were really popular a few months ago, I guess. So I really don't know how I will be using it, but I just I definitely wanted to try them, so I bought them. Next, I have one of the most cutest products which I bought. This is a pack of studs, and all the studs are really beautiful. This is a tortoise stud. The second one is starfish. Another one is seashell. Another seashell, seashell, and seashell. I can't wait to use this product. Next, I got few stamping plates. The first one is from Nicole Diary, and the name of the stamping plate is Nicole Diary L23, which has some amazing space designs. God knows how I will be using them. I haven't decided anything right now. Next is YZWL016, with floral, or not floral, I should say, with leafy designs. Another one is a floral nail stamping plate from Nicole Diary. The name of the stamping plate is Nicole Diary 155. It has some amazing floral images. Next one, well, this the name of this stamping plate is YZW L017. It has it has different designs. It is more related to astrological designs or tattoo designs, and see how beautiful they are. Next, I have YZWL005, and it has fruity designs and few bird designs like peacock is there, parrot is there, different sorts of trees are there, different fruits are there. Next, I have with me, well, it just fell down from my hand. Next, I have Born Pretty Natural World L001. I personally loved the look of these beautiful designs on this plate, and I am sure I'm definitely going to use this plate again and again in on a regular basis, I guess. Next one which I got is Born Pretty Pure World, which is perfect for reverse stamping as well. See the beautiful designs. I love this scenery design as well as this one, and other designs are pretty like always. Next, I have two set of decals, and this these these are not decals, they both of them are stickers, and you can apply them over your nails, like over the normal nail polish, or after doing something or after applying some sort of dry brush technique or some other technique on your nails, and then you can use them on your nails. So this was what I wanted to share with you guys, and I just can't wait to create some magic with these products and let you guys know what I liked about them. Also, I will be swatching Laroy collection, the whole Laroy collection on the whole Laroy collection on my channel. So I hope you guys really like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. Till then, bye.